Tesla has come up with a new gimmick for its gear selector in the updated Model S. There is a touch interface on the screen where you drag the car in the direction you want to go. The control seems to be a little jittery and laggy, but this is presumably pre-production software. Tesla Model S refresh would come with a smart shift feature, which uses the vehicle's autopilot cameras to determine if the car should be in park, neutral, drive, or reverse. Elon Musk said that drivers would likely find the new Model S automatic shifter convenient to use. The sedan's automatic shifter could be overridden through the touchscreen. Smart Shift would likely be one of the Model S polarizing features, simply because it is so unique and different. Tesla seems to be preparing ample contingencies just in case the automatic feature does not get received well. With a total of 3 ways to shift the Model S gears, drivers would likely find a system that suits them best without many difficulties. What do you think? Let us know in the comments section.